Just got the key for our new unit. Let's check it out. This is 3.5 times the size of where we are now. This is about 400 square meters. But yeah, we've got some big plans for this place. Welcome back to Shadow Foam's new unit. It was 18 months ago when we got the keys for this place. We had a 4-part series of us setting up the unit exactly how we needed it. When we got it, it was just a big empty unit, and we've fully built into it now. And you can see we've got all the new signs up, and it's looking a lot different to how it was when we got it. So follow me, and I'll give you a quick tour around. So this is our new reception. It's only quite small, but it's just enough to control access, and obviously it's a waiting area. This toolbox is something we did about 6 months ago in a video. It took me 2 hours to cut all 6 drawers in this. Check out the link below for the video of us doing this. We've also got a pretty cool coffee table. I'm pretty proud of this. This was something I had my eye on from an antique place. It's been built out of all engine parts. So this is the main production area of Shadow Foam. We've got all of our shelving set up with the inserts for the different brands. We've got inserts here for Makita, inserts for Bosch, Sortimo, all the Milwaukee inserts. We've got Festool around the corner. And here we've got our 2 main packaging bays. The guys here process the orders, they'll pack them up, scan them, and obviously book them on for shipping. We've got all the different box sizes that we send out orders in here. And then we've got all of the other supporting products that we sell are all in these shelving units here, ready to just be quickly grabbed and included in the orders. Over this side is our main production area. This is where we've got our band knife, and we use that to convert our large sheets down into the different sizes that we need. We've also got our spray booth and drying rack over there. These are both used to spray and coat the Shadow Foam original grade, which we are shortly phasing out. And we've got our drying rack there as well to dry the sheets. They need to dry for 24 hours. And then over this side, we've got our forklift truck, charger, and some storage for these, the large format 2x1 sheets. So over this side, a lot's changed. Obviously we've put all of the wall boarding up. This is basically to clean up the visuals in here and try and partition the areas, make it a little bit more organised. We did have a lot more racking in this section, and we had all of our Easy Peel retail packs. Now they've all gone out to another warehouse that we have, and they're all shipped now from a storage warehouse. And over here, we've kind of rejigged this area. We've put in more racking, but we've kind of made it double deep. We've put racking on this side, and it's to hold all of the 2x1 sheets. This is a tunnel that goes through to the production area just to help navigate your way around the unit a little bit quicker and easier. Through here, we've got our finished kitchen, and we've got the renovated toilet. I'm sure there'll be a clip here of what it did look like. It's like, it used to be like a dirty old cave, and now it feels quite clean and fresh. We've also put some walls up here and just tidied up this side, put some storage. We've also got more storage down here. This is all of the Festool inserts, and we've got another storeroom here. Obviously there's so many different inserts that we're stocking. We're trying to organise them as best we can with allocated bays for each brand. So this is another storeroom that we've got full of inserts. So this room is our new workshop. We're going to be using this as a studio space. We've got big plans for in here. We've set it up right now with the laser and the router, which we've moved across from our old unit. Whether or not this router's staying here, we're not sure. We don't get as much use out of it as we thought we were going to, but we do use the laser quite a lot. We've set up this really nice back wall here. We had John and Rob build this for us, and basically these 2 side cupboards are to box in 2 of the big posts that support the mezzanine. So the corners cover the posts. There's also a big post behind here, so we've basically built this wall, adapting it around the existing steelwork. And we've managed to fit 2 of these nice big red roll boxes. Obviously we had one of these at our old unit, which was my personal toolbox, which now makes it quite a nice backdrop for videos. In here, we've got plans to put the Makita power tool wall again. Slightly bigger spot than our last Makita power tool wall, and obviously it'll be easier to get to, and we'll be able to put the charger here as well. So this is going to be version 2 Makita wall, and it should be bigger and better than the last one. So stay tuned for that. That video is going to be coming in a few weeks. And we've got plans to put a wall a foam mounted wall here too. And we are taking ideas. We've got an idea of what we want to do, but we'd love to hear what you think, what we should do with that space. We've put spotlights above the wall, and that'll really look nice when it's shining down on the power tool wall. And we've done the same over this side. We've also got a compressed air line in here, and we've set up the ducting for the laser. So we've got a very functional workspace, but obviously also a well-lit workspace so we can film videos in here. Follow me and I'll show you the office. Right, so this is our new office. I was amazed how quickly this came together. We got the mezzanine in, and that probably took the guys 2 days. And then obviously John and Rob Atkinsons of Cheshire came in and they kind of framed this all out in about a week and a half. We did it the American way. This isn't plastered. What we did was just taped and jointed, which isn't very typical in the UK. We also got these frames were made by John and Rob, so we just got panes of toughened glass. We picked up the doors. They were from Facebook, from a discounter. They look really great and effective. We're putting a suspended ceiling, and these are heated tiles, so we've also factored in heating in here. These are like running from a thermostat, so that these tiles heat up in the winter, and then we've got some fans going in and aircon for the summer. Yeah, I think we wanted a lot of light, so these windows came, these are all secondhand. They all came out of, basically came off Facebook. A couple of them came from a cottage in Manchester, one of them came from a town up the road. Just about are similar sizes, so we're able to architrave them all and make them all look matching and the same. And I think what we've ended up with is a very cost-effective, but a very good quality adaptable space. So we've got our conference room. We've already shot a couple of videos in there, but obviously it's also really useful. With the pandemic going on, we've still got a lot of guys working from home. When everything's back to normal, it's going to be great to have that conference room. We've also got our server room. It's now finished. We've got our server set up in there. We've also got the CCTV running from there and all the other electrics and stuff. We've got a smaller office here, and we've also got my office. I think we're very happy with what we've ended up with up here. It's a very nice, clean, bright, exactly what we were hoping to get. So that wraps up the unit tour. Hopefully that gives you a bit of an insight into what we've been doing for the last 18 months. And from now on, we're gonna have regular content again. We've been pretty busy getting this unit set up, so the videos have been a little bit, they've been ebbing and flowing. They've not been as regular as we would have liked them. So next week, we've got another video coming where our new apprentice, Dylan, is gonna be in this workshop with me. I'm gonna be teaching him how to cut foam. And then following that, we've got the Makita wall version 2, which is gonna be coming very soon. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for all the new videos.